Howdy guys, it's Shopman. Option Titans coming at you again with another banger. And this time what we going over is this website. If you don't know about it, you know now. If you don't know now, you're about to learn something. It's called finviz. This has to be one of the greatest free resources that any trader can use. They also have plans that sponsorship. We're not even going into that. So basically, what I wanted to show you guys, as soon as you open up this beauty, you can look at the Dow, you can look at the NASDAQ, and you can look at the S&P. Pretty much anything that you want to pay attention to is on this website, especially the heat map over here. You can make it bigger if you just click on it, and it breaks everything down into sectors. Now, I know a lot of traders out there need more diversification inside of their portfolios. What you can do is you can take a look at the technology sector. You can take a look at the communications. You can consumer centric. I mean, it's all right here. This heat map is beautiful. You've probably seen this before. You probably haven't. But the greener the stock is, the better it's performing. And you can see that by the index down here. And the redder it is, the more bloody it is. But not to hold back a sleeping giant, we want to take a look at the home screen, and also I'm gonna give you guys another gem for today. In this home screen, you can look at the top gainers of the day. If you're into penny stocks, you can just mouse over and you can see what ran up just completely, just demolished. Look at these top gainers today that are sorted. I like to look at my own type of thing, but we'll go over that in just a second. These are just something that you can take a look at and, you know, pick and choose from if you want to take more looks at these stocks that they have available here. I guess these are the staff picks, if you will. But what we came here for is sauce. And this is the sauce. It's the screener right here, guys. And I'm not going to upgrade. We were just talking about upgrading, but we're not going to get into that. Yo, them Option Titans is back at it again. Please be sure to like and subscribe. But furthermore, if you want to support our channel, we have a Patreon, patreon.com/Option Titans. We coming with the bangers, and we also would like to further our content so we can expand and do more things that we have in the future. But for right now, we're going to talk about these 3 membership levels. Baby Titan, $5 a month. Live access to each and every podcast. Get it while it's happening so you won't miss a move. All Access Titan. Option Titans community, sharing the news, 15-minute one-on-one, Q&A, live access to every podcast included with the Baby Titan. VIP Titan, come trade with us. You won't miss a beat at all. You get the community. You get the live access podcast. You get the live trading with us. You get the free 15-minute one-on-one. I hope you're ready. Let's get back to the video. We're going to talk about this scanner right here, and it's basically free. With upgrades, however, you can get into I want to see this movie down here, Antebellum. With upgrades, you can get into real-time scanning, if that makes any sense. If it doesn't, let me explain. So when I first started using finviz, I thought that it was going to scan real time and I was going to see the volume increase as it did on my chart. No, I was wrong. On the free version, there is a lag. So you still will get the moves that happen. You're just not going to get them before the paid members get them. Just like our podcast. You're going to get the podcast eventually, but you're not going to get it right then and there live, and you may miss some of the moves. However, finviz, it's no technical analysis going on here. It's just straight scanning. And let me show you what I mean by that. So country, United States, Canada, wherever you're trading options from, you want to move to the USA. You want to make sure you got that down. The USA, this is where your Tesla is going to be in TASDAQ, but we're going to change the exchange to NASDAQ. We're not talking about Tesla extremely right now. We're talking about any stock that you can imagine that has an option especially for option traders. If you're looking for something that holds a little bit more equity, you can always change it. But this video is mainly for the option traders out there that just need to pick more stocks and stop investing in Microsoft, AMD, Tesla, Amazon, and your top cap stocks. So we're going to move on to market cap, and basically that's going to be in the mega. And what that means is these are the companies that are the top performers inside of the exchange, not the index. I left the index to any, and you can change these settings if you want to at any time. I'm just showing you some basic ones so you can get through the information and you can start scanning for your stocks. So as we know, Apple, big moves on a daily. It looks like it's consolidating a little bit. This shows you the full chart from August to October and a little bit before August. You got Adobe right here. You got the ticker, and then you have the industry that it's in. I'm not going to really go over each and every one of these because you can just play with it and you can see that the industry, we're not doing any financial analysis right now. We're not doing any technical. We just want to look at the overview and find these stocks. So I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with all of these stocks here, but let's look at some that you might not be so familiar with, like ABMD. First time seeing that stock. ADI, Analog, I know what that is. Autodesk, a lot of these stocks look familiar. I haven't really played them, but I know what they are at least. And these are the large market cap stocks. And then as you go down further, you can look at the mid. And these prices actually are not showing here, but you can kind of get a pretty quick range of what's going on and how much they're trading for. If you want, you can just type it in to your whatever you use to chart, Webull. If you don't have a Webull, you can click the link and sign up below. Or Robinhood, you can type in a ticker and find out what's going on. So these are the mid. Going to be the mid right here of all of the movers. You can sort it by volume really quick. That's from low to high. Oh my gosh, American Airlines, just big green candle, plug. We were talking about that on Sunday. NK, I don't even want to see that stock. Bed Bath and Beyond, going crazy. And then we can look at small. Now, when you're doing the small, you want to be careful because when you're trying to trade these stocks, you have to make sure that they have a good open interest for when you're trying to trade your options. You don't just want to say, hey, this stock had a lot of volume and now I'm about to trade it, and then you can't get out your contract. But wait, we'll do that in another video. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself because I just have so much sauce to give, you feel me? So we at this one right now with a banger. So you could just imagine from here with the mega caps, these options are the most expensive, right? We can agree on that. The large, a little bit less expensive, and it goes down and we continue. Play with these. If you're looking for long-term stocks, dividends, you can get in there. You can set your dividends if you got the long money game, however you want to do it, guys. I just wanted to let you know about this website. It's great. I don't make any money if you sign up for it. It's just something that I had to give you guys with a banger. See you in the arena.